Welcome. In this video, I am going to solve these three questions. So first, let us start with question number 1. Question number 1 says, Ravi is paid $600 a week. His pay is increased by 4%. Calculate his new weekly pay. So we know that Ravi is paid $600 a week. So his initial salary is $600 a week. Then his pay is increased by 4%. And we have to calculate what is his new weekly pay. So what is his new weekly salary after his salary gets increased by 4%? So let us solve this question. So the starting salary of Ravi is $600 a week. So starting salary of Ravi. Starting salary of Ravi. Or you can say the initial salary of Ravi. Or you can say the beginning salary of Ravi. So that is $600 a week. So $600 per week. So $600 per week. So this is the starting salary of Ravi. Now, his pay is increased by 4%. So his salary is now increased by 4%. So increased by 4%. So his salary of $600 per week, this is increased by 4%. And now we have to calculate what is his new weekly pay. So what is his final salary per week, or what is his new weekly salary? So what is new salary of Ravi? So this is what we have to find out. So first we will find out that his salary is increased by how much amount. So first we will find out that Ravi's weekly salary is increased by how much amount. So we know that his salary is increased by 4%. So increased by 4% means increased by how much amount? So that is what we will find out. So that is 4% of $600. So 4% of $600. Now 4% of $600 is, now 4% means 4 by 100. 4% means 4 by 100. So 4 by 100 of $600. Now 4 by 100 of $600, I can write it as 4 by 100 multiplied by $600. So 4 by 100 of $600 means 4 by 100 multiplied by $600. And how much is that? So 100 ones are 100, 100 6 are 600. So 4 by 1 into 6, which is nothing but 4 into 6. 4 into 6 is 24. So $24. So 4% of $600 is $24. So Ravi's weekly salary is increased by $24. So we have found out that Ravi's weekly salary is increased by how much amount? So it is $24. So increased by 4% means increased by $24. So increased by 4% means increased by how much amount? it is increased by $24. So increased by 4% means increased by $24. So increased by $24. So starting salary of Ravi is $600 per week, and now his weekly salary is increased by $24. We have just now calculated that increased by 4% means increased by $24. So his weekly salary is increased by $24. So what is his new salary? So new salary of Ravi will be the starting salary of Ravi plus the increase amount. So starting salary of Ravi is $600 per week, and the increased salary per week is $24. So $600 plus $24 will give us the new salary of Ravi per week. So new salary of Ravi per week will be $600, which is his starting salary, or which is his beginning salary, or which is his initial salary, plus the increased amount. So per week his salary is now increased by $24. So the increased amount is $24. So because it is increased, therefore I will do addition, because now his salary has increased by $24. So I am doing addition. So starting salary plus increased salary will give us the new salary of Ravi. So new salary of Ravi per week is $600 plus $24, which is $624 per week. So new salary of Ravi per week is $624. So calculate his new weekly pay. His new weekly pay is $624. So $624 per week. This is his new salary. So his weekly pay is $624. So this is the answer for question number 1. Now let us go to question number 2. A motorbike cost $8,250. The motorbike depreciates in value by 22% in its first year. Find the value of the motorbike after 1 year. So we know that the starting value of the motorbike is $8,250. So starting value of motorbike, that is $8,250. $8,250. So this is the initial value of the motorbike, or the beginning value of the motorbike. It is $8,250. Now the motorbike depreciates in value by 22% in its first year. So there is a decrease in value of the motorbike, and that decrease is 22%. So the motorbike decreases in value by 22% in its first year. So the value decreases by how much? So it decreases by 22%. So the value decreases by 22% in its first year. And we have to find out that what is the value of the motorbike after 1 year. So what is the final value of the motorbike after 1 year? So after the decrease of 22%, now what is the final value of the motorbike? So decrease by 22% means decrease by how much amount? So first we will find out that the value of the motorbike is decreased by how much amount. So first we will find out that value of the motorbike is decreased by how much amount. So decreases by 20% means decreases by how much amount? So we will calculate that amount by which it has decreased. So right now we know that it has decreased by 22%. So we will find out that by how much amount has it decreased. So decreases by 22% means decreases by how much amount. So we will calculate that amount. So 22% of $8,250. So 22% of $8,250. So this means 22% means 22 by 100. 22% means 22 by 100 of $8,250. So this is 22 by 100 multiplied by $8,250. 22 by 100 of $8,250 means 22 by 100 multiplied by $8,250. And now let us solve this. So this 0 and this 0 cancels. Now 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5, remainder 3, bring the 2 down, 32, 5 6s are 30, remainder 2, bring the 5 down, 25, 5 5s are 25. Now 2 1s are 2, 2 11s are 22. So 11 by 1 into 165, which means 11 multiplied by 165. So what is 11 multiplied by 165? So 165 multiplied by 11. So 165 into 1 is 165. 165 into 1 is 165. So this is 5, 5 plus 6, 11, carry forward 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 6, 8, and then this one, 1815. So 11 multiplied by 165 is 1815. So $1815. So 22% of $8,250, this is $1815. So it has decreased by $1815. So decreases by $1815. So decreases by 22% means decreases by $1815, $1,815. So we have found out the value by which the motorbike has decreased in amount. So the value of the motorbike has decreased by $1815 by this much amount. So the starting value of the motorbike is $8,250. Then its value has decreased by $1815. So what is the new value of the motorbike, or what is the final value of the motorbike? It will be the starting value minus the value by which it has decreased. So $8,250 minus $1815. So $8,250 minus $1815. So this is the starting price, or this is the starting value, and then this is the value by which it has decreased. So since the value has decreased by this much amount, I will do subtraction to get the final value. If it has increased, I will do addition. If it has decreased, then I will do subtraction. So this is the starting value, and this is the value by which it has decreased in value. So to find the final value, I will do the starting value minus the decreased value by which amount the value has decreased. So $8,250 minus $1815. So how much is that? So 8250 minus 1815. So 6435. So it is $6435. So the final value of the motorbike is $6435, $6,435. So what is the value of the motorbike after 1 year? The value of the motorbike after 1 year is $6,435. Now let us do question number 3. An airline increases its ticket prices by 17%. Calculate the new price of a ticket costing $1430. So the ticket of an airline initially cost $1430. So the starting price of the ticket is $1430, or the initial price of a ticket is $1430. Then that airline increases the ticket by 17%. So the price of the ticket now is increased by 17%, and we have to calculate what is the new price of that ticket. Okay. So what is the initial price of the ticket? Initial price of the ticket, or you can say what is the starting price of the ticket, or the beginning price of the ticket. So the initial price of the ticket is $1430. This is the initial price of the ticket. Then the airline increases the price of the ticket by 17%. So the ticket price is now increased. So increased by 17%. It is increased by 17%. And we have to calculate the new price of the ticket. So what is the final price of the ticket, or what is the new price of the ticket? So after the price of the ticket has been increased by 17%, what is the new price of that ticket? Okay. So increases by 17%. So the price of the ticket is increased by 17%. So increased by 17% means increased by how much amount? So first we will find out that the price of the ticket is increased by how much amount. So first we will find out that the price of the ticket is increased by how much amount? We know that it has been increased by 17%. So increased by 17% means increased by how much amount? So we will calculate that it has increased by how much amount. So we know that it has increased by 17%. So now we will find out that by how much amount it has increased. So 17% of $1430. So 17% of $1430. So that means 17% means 17 by 100. So 17 by 100 of $1430. So 17 by 100 multiplied by $1430. So that is how much? So this 0 and this 0 cancels. Now 17 into 143 divided by 10. So first let us do 17 into 143. So 143 into 17 is how much? 7 3s are 21, carry forward 2. 14 7s are 98, 98 plus 200. And 143 into 1 is 143. So 1342, 2431. So 17 into 143 is 2431. Now this 2431 is divided by 10. So 2431 divided by 10 is how much? It is 243.1. So 2431 divided by 10 is 243.1. So 17 into 143 is 2431, and this 2431 divided by 10 is 243.1. So $243.1. So 17% of $1430 is $243.1. So it has increased by $243.1. So increased by $243.1. So the price of the ticket has been increased by $243.1. So we have calculated the price of the ticket has been increased by how much amount? So price of the ticket has been increased by $243.1. So this is the initial price of the ticket, and the price of the ticket has been increased by $243.1. So what is the new price of the ticket? the initial price of the ticket plus the value by which the price has been increased. So that will give us the new price of the ticket. So new price of the ticket is $1430, which was the price of the ticket in the beginning. And now the price of the ticket has increased by $243.1. So increased. So I will do addition because the price of the ticket has now increased. So plus, now increased by how much? Increased by $243.1. So this will give us the new price of the ticket. So let's do this calculation. So 1430 plus 243.1. So 134 plus 3 7, 4 plus 2 6, 1673.1. So $1673.1. So the new price of the ticket is $1673.1, $1673.1. So what is the new price of the ticket? Calculate the new price of the ticket. The new price of the ticket is $1673.1. So this is how I have solved these three questions of this question set.